Hey everyone, Greg from Culture Splat here, and today we are unboxing the brand new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro that we just got in. Alright, let's get started with unwrapping this MacBook Pro. Start with the outside wrapper, and sorry for the slippery tabletop there. We'll pull this off and get ready to get that box open. And of course the Arizona heat does a number on that as well, and the box is a little sticky and doesn't slide right open. Alright, now that we have that box top off, you will see our wrapped MacBook Pro with that pull-out tab in the cellophane wrapping. Makes it so easy to unwrap, and Apple really makes the whole unboxing very simple for their products. So you can see ours is the space gray version of the MacBook Pro. And let's get that set up on the table. That smooth hinge, open it right up, move that paper, and you can see our MacBook starts right up. You also receive a USB-C charge cable as well as a 61 watt USB-C power adapter in the box. Apple gives you a little bit of information about the MacBook as well as some space gray Apple stickers. The specs of our MacBook are a 10th gen Intel i5 running at 2 GHz, 16 GB of 3733 MHz LPDDR4X Ram, a 1 TB SSD drive, and since we have the 10th gen model, we also get to take advantage of having 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack versus 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports and the headphone jack on the lower spec MacBook Pros. You are able to use the MacBook in either light mode or dark mode and can utilize shifting between the two automatically. This MacBook also has upgraded speakers, so let's take a listen to that sound. Thank you for checking out our MacBook Pro unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and smash that bell for updates on new videos from Culture Splat. See you in the next one.